This is Cloak Score Services. So we'll be auditing this page. This page does not have any highlights on it. No highlights. It just have this post that has been here. So we are auditing this page. We have cleared the bio. We are going to add the highlights and everything. So I'm going to show you before and after and the process we took in making this happen. Yeah. So to edit the bio, I go to edit profile. Then go to bio. Then I'll add what needs to be added there. I'm going to type in some things. Now you're going to talk about for your bio. You're going to talk about the problems you solve, what you do, and also you're going to add a call to action or a link in bio or something of that kind that helps people to get to you, or get to know more about your services or get to your website. So this is where you also add it. You add everything. Okay, for your name, you just add the most search keyword in your niche with your location. That's just what you're going to add there. We have added the name. The name is B2 Spa or Anambra State. So next thing we're going to add is this. We're going to make we're going to add the category that it belongs to. So we need to add the category it belongs to, and then we go ahead and add the link in bio, which is the main thing. We are going to list the problem we solve and everything we do. So that is it. Okay, now this is the link in bio. This is the bio, and start a building journey now is a call to action that we're using. So that is it. The emoji you're seeing there, I used Grammarly. And also, I want to add a stylish form of helping individuals have a flawless look. I want to add a stylish form to it. So I'm going to use app for host, something of that kind. So to do that. Okay, here is the app. I use app for live host to edit it to look very nice and neat. So this is it. I just open my web browser and I type app for live host. So the only part I just want to change is the helping individuals have a flawless look. So I'll go ahead and do that. So once I'm done, I'll just copy it. And I go back to my bio and paste it. So that is all. Bio is ready. I'm going to add the link to the website. So that's the next thing I'm going to do. So before, when I tapped this, it was containing more space, making me not to be seeing this start a beauty journey now, because I needed people to see it at a glance instead of clicking to check it out. They can see it at a glance. So that is one of the skills you need to apply. Make sure that you put your bio in the sense that people get to see much information without clicking on see more, something of that kind. So that is it. So I'm going to add the link to the website. So that's it. The highlights, I mostly use Pixel Lab because I think that the app helps me, and I'm free making use of Pixel Lab. It's really nice. It helps me, and also that is it. So we're going to log into Pixel Lab now, so we can be able to. Okay, we already have a work started already, but when you open the Pixel app, you're going to see a frame like this where you're going to add your picture or something. You can just click this plus. Look up here, you're going to see a plus up the work surface where you click a plus, and then from your gallery you add your image. Yeah, you add your image. Then this is the background I'm using for the highlights because I want to make a nice highlight. Then you go ahead. If your business is all about entrepreneurship, you can just go to Google and then you search for icons on social media, icons on this and icon on that. You understand? So, but the one I'm using for this example is a beauty spa. So I'm going to search for icons on beauty spa. So that is it. So I've done that. I've downloaded it. So I'm going to just add it up here. This is one of the images we have. I'll add it up. I'll add the rest. So that is it. We have written out the this thing we'll be using, the highlights. So one of the things you should know about highlights is this: highlights helps people to just go through your page in a glance. So whatever you have in your highlights is more like your small website where people can just know about me, yeah, about us, what we do. You understand? Where they can just see pictures and content of what you do or whatever is on your page. It's not like a pitch, yeah, a pitch, ability of you to just sell yourself in few seconds. Sell yourself in few seconds. So that's what highlight is all about. So in this beauty spa highlight, I'm going to first of all add testimonials, which is one of the most important things. People need to know that you're working with real human beings and people are testifying about your product. What are people saying about your product? So then the second one we're going to add is facials, the microblading, the body wash, and so on. So that is it. It's very simple. I just go to my crop and then I lock it and then pick the next one I want to create. Okay, let me say body wash. Body wash. Yes. It's my phone. Yes. I'll delete. Okay, this is how the auditing is. Here is Beauty Spa Oka, Anambra State. This will help people to find you easily. When people search for beauty spas in Oka or in your location, they can be able to see you. You understand? So what you're going to write there, instead of writing your name or the name of your business there, it's better you write mostly the keywords people search online. That's what you're going to. You understand? That's helping individuals have a flawless look. That's where the one of the key points. What are you doing? What services are you offering? What problems are you solving? Why should people choose you from apart from others? What is your USP? So that is what will enter into your bio. There's some facial, skin wash, teeth whitening, microblading. That's a mistake. Lashes extensions and more. You understand? So start a beauty journey now. That's your call to action. You should tell them what are they doing next after looking at your page, after they come to your page. What are they doing next? That's call to action. So looking now, you're seeing an arrow going down, showing them to click on the website, which I'm going to still add. I'm going to add up the website and where the deal will be closed. So these are the highlights from the testimonial, which I told you that's one of the most important things you should add to your highlights. People should just get to have a glance of what your business is all about, the works you have done and everything from your highlights. So this is the testimonial. You're seeing it. Testimonials from customers. And then the next one, the facials and the microblading, waxing, price list and all. So that is it. Thank you. Okay, this is what the page is looking like now. See every difference from this was what it was looking like before, now to this. So this is how to make you audit your page or revamp your page on Instagram. Join me for. Okay, if you really want to learn more on how to build yourself online and create content online, follow me at Bino Digitals.